So the kid bought this Craftsman caulk gun, the power caulk gun, tool only, $40 at Lowe's. So we're gonna try it out with the GoPro. Got miles of caulking under my belt, so this will be the first time ever trying one of these. Let's give it a shot. 40 bucks. You know, this is his battery, of course. It didn't come with it, tool only. Whoa, a little much. That's number 5. Let's go down. Try out number 2. So we almost made it to the end, but not quite. There's the end. So I gotta put another tube on there, but before I do that, I wanna tool this. I don't want it to get away from me. Got myself an Albion spreader. Yep, that's too much there. All right, I gotta get a smaller spreader. This one's a little big. All right, I was using that one. I got the next one down. And try this one out. Beautiful day out today. Start from this end. Of course, all the buggies are gonna try to get in it. They're attracted to the smells. I don't know, it might be me, but this stuff smells like chlorine. Yes, I'll be honest, I like the gun. I got no problems with that gun. I mean, the tubes are brand new, so the caulk's easy to squirt, but it definitely helped. I would use that, definitely. $40. So I'm gonna paint over this too with that self-cleaning paint. Let me try to fix my blobber. Big blobber here. That's all right. Once it's painted, it won't be bad. It's getting painted. All flowers and trees are coming back, bushes, whatever. It'll be good to go. You won't notice this anyway. But it'll keep the bugs in the water out. I still got to go down there, but I just wanted to do this video to check this thing out. Let me put another tube on there and we'll finish the video out with it. Just so I can get to the end here. I got about 5 feet. Yeah, about 5 feet. That looks pretty good. And like I said, it's gonna get painted too, so the paint will protect it. I don't care what you read all these products they come out with, talk about UV resistant, they're lying. This caulk is not UV resistant. Within 2 years, it'll be cooked. It will have no shine. It'll be like chalky white, falling to pieces. But if you can protect it, like there's 2 ways. See, I shot this joint here. Now I can let that dry for a couple days and shoot another one on top of it. And the one I shoot on top will be the sacrificial caulk joint. That's the one that'll get cooked in the sun. You understand it? Even though that one's rotted and looks bad, it won't matter because there's one under it that's still good, and the top one protected it. This is what I find doing these jobs. I've been doing this stuff for years. You know, and the other thing is when you paint over it, but of course you got to let it cure before you paint over it, or the paint won't stick to it. You give it enough time to cure, and you paint it, that will protect it, and the caulk will last forever. As long as the paint lasts anyway. All right, I'll get another tube on there. All right, so I tried to do the second clip of this little guy here, but the jaws on the GoPro mount are not big enough to go around that caulk gun, so it kept falling off. So do what I can do. You definitely need 2 hands with that gun. So I can't hold the phone with one hand and try to shoot it with the other. It don't work. So I actually tried doing this yesterday. I had 8 tubes of the Diamonic FC left, the color Stone. It was a darker color, but those were shot. You know, it started coming out a little bit, and I was able to do a small joint here, and then it exploded on the gun, so I had to clean that mess up. So let me see the spot. There's a spot over here that looks like I missed. Looks like a hole, but it's not. That's actually the Stone color caulk is right there from yesterday. So today I had to get the Sikaflex. That's all I could get today at short notice. So I got white. This didn't come out bad. This looks good. I got plenty of caulking to do around this house. I can't get the Diamonic FC anymore because the place I was getting it from went out of business. So it is what it is. We got to deal with this stuff, man. So again, 40 bucks. 40 bucks for this gun. I mean, even if it only lasts at this house and dies, 40 bucks, it was worth. That's about what a regular professional gun costs. There's my Albion gun hat. That's about the price they cost, about 40 bucks. This one here, the B18, I think I paid 40 bucks for this. Yeah, just wanted to do a little video about this gun. I still got plenty of caulking to do, plenty of painting. I'll see if I can use that in other spots.